Hello, I'm Antonio Capaldo, the owner of Feudi di San Gregorio, and I'm very happy to introduce you our Piano di Montevergine Taurasi Riserva. So very long words. So I will explain you the name of this wine. So Taurasi is the name of the highest, Taurasi Riserva is the name of the highest appellation that we have in Campania. It's also the name of a town, Taurasi, in the center of Campania. The varietal behind the Taurasi Riserva is Aglianico, exactly like you have Sangiovese behind the Brunello and Nebbiolo behind the Barolo. And then Aglianico, to become a Taurasi, it has first of all to be sourced within the Taurasi area, and secondly it has to undergo a special aging protocol. For the Taurasi regular is 3 years, for the Taurasi Riserva is 4 years, of which 24 months in oak. Generally we don't release the wine after 4 years, we release the wine after 5 to 6 years in order the wine to preserve the fruit and these characteristics better and to express itself better, and to balance also a little bit between the freshness and the oak aging. Now, Piano di Montevergine, which is the name of the cru, is the name of a vineyard. So the name of the wine is very simple, the name of the vineyard and then the name of the appellation. So Piano di Montevergine Taurasi Riserva. And this vineyard is particularly important for us because it has been the first one that we planted when we started in '86. So it's a vineyard that is now 30 years old. It's a vineyard that we have an incredible emotional attachment, but it's not the reason why we do a single vineyard. The reason why we do a single vineyard that is consistently one of the best Aglianicos that we harvest. It's one of the Aglianicos that we harvest later because it's in high altitude at 700 meters. And it's also an Aglianico compared to the others that we have at the winery that has, in the good vintages, and we don't do this wine every vintage. In general, we do these wines, let's say 3 vintage out of 5, because in bad vintages, we just don't release it. But in good vintages, it has a structure, a power, and a longevity, or at least an expected longevity, that is really unique. In the nose, you find the specific characteristics of Aglianico that are very well integrated with the oak aging. Oak happens mostly in Slavonian oak, between 10 and 50 hectoliters, and very little portion in barriques. But you find the characteristics of Aglianico, which is from the red cherries, from the red berries, from cherry in particular, to the violet and the rose, to some wild element like humid forest sensation. And then you have the oak that is not particularly sweet, so you have more spices than vanilla in the nose. In the mouth, you find the structure. Back, you find that these elements are very well integrated. This vintage is 2011, which was very good, a very special vintage. And even after 6 years, the wine is still drinking, is still very young and drinking very nicely, but you perceive that it has a very long potential. It's incredibly long, which is a characteristic of Taurasis in general, but in particular in this single vineyard, and is one of the reasons why we do this single vineyard. And the pairing, therefore, needs to be accurate. I like it to pair it with food that have also a long finish, that are very rich, such as steaks, such as lamb dishes, or very longly seasoned cheeses. I hope you will enjoy this wine. Thank you.